What's up, squidgy slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome to the Tradman and Tradboy YouTube channel today. Today we're announcing the winner of the Unger Ninja limited edition tool set, so stay tuned. Yes, indeed, folks. So today we reveal the name of the individual who is the lucky one who won the Unger Ninja limited edition transformer box. But we're assisted by, hello, who are you?
I'm Tradboy and welcome.
Oh, well, thank you very much for demonstrating the box for me today.
You.
Much appreciated.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tradboy, can you please reveal the name of the person that has won the box?
Nathan Stork, well done.
Excellent, there we go. We've got Nathan Stork. So Nathan, if you can get in touch, email me at mrtradman@hotmail.com. The information will be in the link below, so you can click on that and send me an email with your bits and pieces so we can ship this off to you. So your full address, please. Thank you very much. And we better go and wrap this, Tradboy?
Yes, very much.
Excellent,
yes.
Excellent. Well, thank you everyone who took part in the giveaway. If you didn't win, don't worry, there will be more giveaways in the future. And if you'd like to buy this transformer box, the links are in the description below as well. But thank you very, very much for watching. Been much appreciated. You take care, be good, and bye for now.